welcome to another vlog. That is how it's not gonna look as I imagined. दोबारा start करो यार. One of the reasons why it's actually been really hard for me to vlog inside the house is because of the hijab. Like घर के अंदर बंदा इतने बुरी हालत में फेरा होता है. It's very hard for me कि मैं आप लोगों से बातें भी करूँ and then I'm also like doing different things and then wearing the scarf as well. So मतलब casual नहीं लग सकता. Like if I'm roaming around the house and I am vlogging, it doesn't look natural कि like I'm scarf. Like मैं मुंह धो रही हूँ और मैंने scarf किया हुआ है and it's 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Why am I wearing a scarf? It just doesn't look natural, So that is a huge reason that I cannot vlog in the house in quarantine. मुंह धो लूं फिर मिलते हैं. धुल गए. हर चीज तो गीली कर दी है and then you say it's easy. What is happening in this world? I can actually say that I look really crazy, but this is just the reality of what a random day in quarantine looks like. I mean, I'm not even going to lie and try कि मैं इस तरह करती हूँ but this is just how it actually is unfiltered. सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं and I haven't slept all night. Then I decided that I'm gonna put on a mask because self-care is one of the things that I really don't focus on in my life. So I thought कि आज कर लेती हूँ. Just gonna apply this green shit on my face and then see कि क्या करना. I'm becoming Hulk. ये गरम भी हो रहा है साथ साथ. I don't know what is this. What is this made of? It's called the Miracle Mask by Hira Ali. I've reviewed this one. I really liked it, but it's green. Hulk की चाची लग रही हूँ मैं. And I'm not even like applying it right. They say in order to become beautiful, you have to look ugly first. I hope कि इस shit के बाद मैं थोड़ी सी प्यारी हो जाऊँगी. I don't think it's gonna happen. It says it's made from hemp seeds, which is like a marijuana wala plant, I think. If I'm not wrong, you can comment and tell me. And I don't get why this says, like, बहुत सी product पे लिखा होता है used within 1 year of opening. Like a product that's not sealed, तो technically वो तो खुली भी आई थी ना जब हमने खरीदी थी. Technically वो तो जब आप लोगों ने डब्बे में डाली थी तभी वो खुल गई थी. So what does that even mean? Used within 1 year. वो फर्क पड़ा है? वैसी चवल शक्ल है. अभी तक थोड़ी बेहतर हुई है मास्क से. I don't think one mask is enough to peel off years of चवलनेस off someone's face. But who's to say कि आप try नहीं कर सकते? The mask got a little warm. उसके बाद फिर मैंने धोया है तो अब the skin feels a little nice and soft. पहले गरम करता है फिर नरम करता है. चाइल्ड वार्निंग वाली के अंदर मुझे इस जोक का लिखना पड़ेगा. I thought कि मैं नहा लेती हूँ फिर I got too lazy. तो now I'm just like sitting here. I'm reading a book which is like 900 to 1000 pages long and honestly उसके अलावा मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं चल रहा. All I can think about is that book and nothing else. I'm not working. I'm not doing anything. I'm either sleeping or reading that book. I mean, that is epitome of a useless life. Did I just call myself useless in front of like all my YouTube audience? Yes I did. Am I ashamed? Not at all. La 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 la. क्या करूँ? नींद भी नहीं आ रही ना. I don't want to sleep. I don't want to do anything. I can't eat. If you saw my stories, like मैंने वो ramen noodles बनाए थे जो इतने बुरे बने और मुझे सारे खुद ख़त्म करने पड़ गए हैं तो I'm like so full because I ate something that I made and no one else ate them. Everyone said नहीं हमने खाने. I mean, what kind of family do I live with? सुन रहे हैं आप लोग? सो रहे हैं सारे. My mom wanted कि मैं जाके since I'm up तो मैं हलवा पूरी ले आऊँ from तो फिर I was like taken all the precautions. घर के मैंने गेट के ऊपर वो रखा हुआ भी है ब्लीच का मिक्सचर डोमेक्स के साथ, so I can like spray everything. Although हलवा पूड़ी को स्प्रे करना चाहिए या नहीं, I don't think so. That would be safe. But driving the car is like a tiny ray of hope because I love driving, so it always like calms me down. But इतनी गर्मी में, you know, anything that usually works for you doesn't really work for you anymore. तो एक वो factor भी है. I remember अभी थोड़ा सा पहले me and my friends we took a road trip. इसी गाड़ी पे, मेरे भाई की गाड़ी है ये, and it was so much fun. And it kind of like a little bit in a way it breaks my heart that I won't be able to do that for some time now. Not because कि मैं कहीं जा नहीं सकती, अकेले अब जा सकते हो, but you know, with friends and just having that sukoon in your mind that it's going to be fine and there's nothing to worry about. It's not gonna happen for some time now, and it just gets to me sometimes. And it's mostly because like I traveling is my thing. It calms me down, and that's the only thing जो इस पूरी सिचुएशन में मुझे परेशान करती है. उसके अलावा I don't think I'm such a homebody. I'm fine घर में, मैं अकेली भी खुश रहती हूँ. बट मैं जो ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रही ना, वो कीड़ा नहीं सुकून में आ रहा मेरा. I'm in front of Jameel Sweets, so let's do it. मैं ऐसे ऊपर करी ना, जैसे मैं डाका मारने जा रही हूँ, but no, this is the new norm now. ओ बहन. Done the receipt. Go now. This is my favorite in all of halwa puri. Sabziyan. Yes.